Hello everybody, this is Wedham. This is some Battlefield Hardline gameplay. I just started playing this yesterday. I got the beta code in my email. I'm not sure if everybody gets a beta code or not, if you're on PlayStation Network or something like that. I don't know. But this is just me playing. Right here you see I have a zip line. And I'm shooting that and stuff, just messing around. I'm not the best Battlefield player, so I'm just kind of messing around, just having a good time with it. I'm enjoying it right now. To me it's a lot like the Battlefield 4, just with different guns and stuff, and there's cops and robbers. But I'm not sure if this is heist or the other game mode. I forgot what the other game mode name is. So, thank you guys for watching. I'm not going to talk anymore. I'm just going to let the gameplay play out. As you can see right here, I try to kill this guy with a zip line. I don't know if you can do that or not, but he was clueless and had no idea where I was until, like, right here. I tried, and then I tried hitting him with a baseball bat, but that didn't work out, so. But thank you guys for watching. I should be posting more Battlefield Hardline, just some funny moments and stuff like that, so. I thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and please like, subscribe, share, and yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you later. Bye.
They got me pinned down. Give me a hand with this guy. Get me fire! Use the heat off for me! SUV armed with a heavy gun. Keep firing, now load up! Hostile suppressed! Taking heavy fire! I'm all fucked up! Help me! Medkit!